drop it coming, 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 drop it coming.
Hey, oh my gosh. Hold on, let me get this microphone. Okay, we good? We good. Okay. But hey y'all. What's up, this is your girl Yana. Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to do a sorry for the noise, but a perm set. And this is about to be my third time, and you guys, I don't think I perfected yet, but we really about to see in this video because that perm set I did literally a year ago. It was like really crazy how I really want to do a perm set, and I did that a year ago. And that video is at 14,000 something views. Yes, I did that. And so I'm about to see if I can do another good perm set like that. But this time we're gonna use Wave Whip Curling Mousse by Cantu. This one right here. We're gonna see how this one works today. Cause last time I used the Lottie Body and it worked good. But you know, gotta switch it up, And this time I think I'm gonna do a different technique. Like I said, switching up. So yeah, we're about to get this started because it's the middle of the day. It is, what time is it? It is 1:32. It's 1:32 p.m. It is December 1st. And let's just get started. Okay, so yesterday I did an yesterday I did an Aztec clay mask, which is the Indian healing clay. I use this right here. This beauty. Like, I really just rinsed it out in the shower and then I just put my hair in these flat twists. Okay, y'all, I'm improving on the flat twist, I guess, a little bit. Okay, so like I told y'all before, I'm doing a different technique. And I'm going to be flat twisting at the root. And then I'm going to be adding 2 perm sets at the end. Yeah. And we're just about to see what happens. I only have this much of the mousse left. Hopefully this will be enough. If not, then we switching back to the Lottie Body. Oh God. Oh no. Anyways, I'm gonna get a technique first. Then I'll be right back. No, y'all about to come struggle with me. Come struggle with me, please. Okay, so spray this mousse. You gonna flat twist. Easy production. Okay, and at this point, I'm a red tail comb this. Split that. Hold on, let me grab a clip. God darn it. Oh. Okay. Okay. This one. You see my wig? I'll be right back once I get the hang of it. You see what I did the first time. I'm about to see if I can get the technique going throughout the whole head. So yeah, hold on. Cold, man. Dang, y'all, look at this definition from that Aztec Aztec clay, Indian healing clay. Yeah, look at that. What? No. As you can tell all throughout the video, I don't know how to flat twist for real, but we doing what we can do. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So there we go. We're going to spray some water in this section, correct? We're going to spray that water. Then I'm going to grab 2 pumps of that mousse. Mousse or 1.5. You're liking, you know? Then we going to smooth that on the hair. I'm just detailing my hair with this denim brush. Then all we gonna do is flat twist. So like I just said, I don't know how to flat twist like that, but I'm doing what I gotta do. And hopefully it turned out right. This just looks like I'm just messing up and tangling my hair. But I promise you I'm not. Well, maybe, I don't think so. You gotta see tomorrow. Then all you gonna do is, the way I do it, I just crisscross them and let one of them stay for real, like lock into place like that, make it tight. Then clip it. Yeah, just gonna work it like that. Comb it through. Probably gotta add more mousse. On down, then just roll on up. And I'm kind of like rolling and twisting at the same time. Just rolling and twisting, rolling and twisting. Since it's frizzy, you're gonna add mousse, because you always try to make sure you got the ends real smooth before you wrap them on the perm rod. Then you just gonna comb that out. Smooth. Roll smooth. Then that's roll, that's roll. Okay. Another 360. Oh my lord, really? All this doggone spinning, I'm taking myself up in this charger. But y'all get the picture, dang. Y'all get the picture. I'm gonna let these dry either overnight, either late on the day or overnight. Probably overnight though, because I really want these to dry, but I don't like the way they feel when I'm asleep. But and comparison to the first time I did these perm rods, I think these were quicker. I think these gonna be cute though, for real. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Anyways, see y'all when I see y'all. What it do, baby? Hold on, let me back up. I'm back again. Got the rollers in my head, and it's time to take it out. It's been a full day, and the oil I'm gonna be using this shea butter oil because I want to see how it be on my hair, and honestly, I don't got enough oil. Honestly, yeah. So I'm gonna add this to my hands, and I'm gonna just, you know. Let me see this one right here, right here. Do we have another success? Do we? Okay, let me not get too excited. But I cannot believe this. Like, y'all, God just love me. God love me. Okay, so like I said before, I'm going to be adding the shea butter oil that you probably can get at your beauty supply store. I'm gonna just add about that was probably too much, but there's. Do not disturb curls. Okay. Don't get too excited. Be gentle. Baby. Oh, it's just falling. And the thing about taking this out, please just be gentle. You cannot be impatient when it comes to stuff like this, I swear. Baby. If I say Shirley Temple is real, Shirley Temple she is. Now I gotta go stretch my hair because this is a what it do, baby. It's crazy, y'all. Like, I did it another time. Like, yes, it's a little frizzy, but it's only my fault. Good bounce. Yes. I really like this technique, but I think I'm gonna keep doing this because it really wasn't that hard, and I think it was quicker than doing a regular perm rod set. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and you guys, don't forget to what? Don't forget to what? Oh, stay beautiful.